Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Viper knives, Anso, Orso. It's a really neat knife. So this is, I believe it's based off of the custom knife of the same name by Jens Anso. Really beautiful design. Overall length, 8.125 inches. Blade length of 3.375 inches, and it is M390 steel. Great steel. Really holds an edge for forever. Not forever, but a really long time. Handle length is 4.75 inches, and you have a pocket clip for tip-up right-handed carry. There's the profile view of the pocket clip. It is only configurable in that right-handed way. So if you're lefty, sorry, maybe not for you. Overall weight is 3.2 ounces, and we do have a titanium version as well as a carbon fiber version. There's several other versions you could pick from, and this one is slightly heavier. It's 4.4 ounces. And here is a size comparison next to a tactical clothespin. There it is open with the clothespin. There it is closed with the clothespin. There you have it, guys. Go ahead and check this knife out at bladehq.com. Of course, this is the Viper Knives Orso.